Check it out, you guys. I got the Hoop Master set up so I can do a embroidery on the backside of my Grinch sweater. So it's set up, ready to go. I already got the stabilizer on it, as you guys can see right there. All I gotta do is wait for this one to get done right here, which it is almost done. Check it out, you guys. Check it out, check it out. That thing is looking good. As you can see, you guys, I utilized the negative space of the shirt to incorporate the details of the Grinch hat. Check it out. That's not actual stitching there, that's just the fabric of the sweater. What am I doing? I'm supposed to be transitioning to the finished product. Here we go, you guys. Here is that transition to the finished sweatshirt. Alright, you guys, and here is the finished MF Grinch sweatshirt. How fly is this sweatshirt, you guys? Oh, this Christmas sweater. Here's the backside of it right here. Thumbnail. But here is that MF Grinch up close. As you can see, there is a little weird stitching right up in this area. That's because of the motif that I chose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the file and change this motif. I might even just have it just be a simple fill stitch, just like the red part of here. But it is kind of cool to have some texture in that white fuzzy part, because it's supposed to be fuzzy, right? But since there is a little mistake in this embroidery, that means I'm gonna make an episode for you guys on Fix the Stitch. Here is one of the sleeves for my MF Grinch sweatshirt right here. Check it out. It got MF Grinch right on there. On the other side, I got Doom right there. Check that out. Bam! And on the back of the sweatshirt, we got that Doom Xmas right there with a little soundboard, give it a little cool hip hop style effect. With embroidering the sleeves, I did use my MightyHoop right here. This is the 9x3" MightyHoop from Hoop Master. If you guys want to be able to embroider onto some sleeves, be sure to pick up this MightyHoop. Promo code PatchBoy for free shipping. What y'all think? Could that be a thumbnail right there? Hey! This is all the embroidery I've done so far on the sweater. I'm not quite sure if I want to add more to it. I might add some more onto it later on, so I can make it like a ugly Christmas sweater type of deal. Sometimes less is more, right? Sometimes less is more. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Push the button. If you guys are not a Patch Gang member already, be sure to become a Patch Gang member. You guys, it's only $2 a month. Just $2. This has been Chris with PatchBoy, Patches for the Culture, and we gonna get on out of here. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. And chicken grease.